As a home buyer, writing your best offer is not just about offering the highest price, but also presenting yourself as a serious and reliable buyer. Here are 4 important tips you need to know for making your offer stand out. Number 1, lean on a real estate professional. Buying a home can be stressful and overwhelming. That is why it is so important to hire an agent with the expertise and knowledge to guide you through the transaction. They will know what has worked for other buyers in the area and what a seller needs to help make your offer stand out. Number 2, know your budget. Understanding your finances and budget is important when deciding on what to purchase. By crafting a compelling offer that showcases your financial readiness and commitment, you will increase your chances of getting your offer accepted. It also shows a seller you are financially confident in closing the transaction. Number 3, think everything through before making an offer. The housing market is not moving as fast as it was during the pandemic. This allows you as a buyer to have more time to think before you make an offer. According to Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, and I quote, "In general, you likely have more time to make an offer. If you are on the fence about a home or its asking price doesn't quite fit your budget, you might want to keep an eye on it, and if it doesn't sell right away, there may be some negotiating room." Number 4, work with your real estate professional on what to negotiate. Over the last few years, when the market was in a frenzy, most buyers wrote non-contingent offers without inspections. Today's market is different. Work with your agent to consider what contingencies will help you make your offer stand out with the seller. If you would like more information on current market data and available inventory in the area, reach out to me and my team so that we can help you with your search and write the best offer for your next home. If you'd like to continue seeing my monthly update videos, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button now. For results that move you, I'm Michele Saar with eXp Realty, bringing you home.